Good morning everybody, Christopher from All Things Prepping. When out camping, one of the abilities that you have to have is the ability to prepare food outside. You do not have the normal amenities like your gas stove, your electric stove, your microwave, your air fryer, stuff like that. And one of my favorite ways of using my equipment is my jet stove. So I'm just going to show you how I use it, and let's do some cooking on it. Okay, so let's start off by showing you what the jet stove is. Jet stove is basically a chimney that comes out. As you can see, it comes from the bottom, and then it's got two places. One where you feed the wood would be there, and then one for the air supply that is there. It comes with a little instrument or a little piece of equipment that you just put on there to give you that extra bit of clearance so that the air can come through and you can actually use it. Yeah, so to get this party started, first of all I picked up some loose paper. It used to be, it seems like a milk liter container that probably some apes ripped apart. So I'm just going to use that to start the fire with, and my big lighter. Just going to drop that down the chimney. Still burning there. Oh, I nearly killed it, but it's still going. And then all I'm going to do is just to put some of these small twigs down the stovepipe to get that burning. And as soon as that is burning, I can then switch to the bottom to feed it from the bottom and keep it going. So as you can see, there we go. I hope you can see it, but in any case, you can see the smoke coming out now. It has started. So I'm just going to switch over to the bottom part of it, and then let's get some water boiling. Yeah, as you probably can see by the amount of smoke that's being produced, the fire has started nicely. And now all I need to do is to use pieces of wood, little scavenged pieces of wood, up to about pencil size thickness, that I just need to feed in here at the bottom, and that actually then burns and produce the heat up towards up the chimney to fire up the whole thing. So that's just what it looks like, and the whole process is on its way. And now we just have to wait a couple of minutes to start, or to get the water boiling. It's not that bad as far as efficiency is concerned for the amount of wood that you use. And as I say, we use twigs, and up to pencil size, maybe a little bit thicker than a pencil size, and it actually produces a lot of heat and boils the water quite quickly. The secret when using your jet stove is to make sure that you do not use wood that is too big. The bigger the wood is, the longer it takes to burn, and then it also smothers the whole thing, and that reduces the efficiency. So that's why I say that if you use smaller pieces up to pencil size, a little bit thicker than that, that will work very, very nicely, and it will actually burn quite well. So like I said, it's very efficient for the size and the amount of wood that you use. And yeah, let's just see what happens. And there we go, with the last flames bringing it to a boil. The water is now sufficiently heated and ready to boil, and it's now time for using it to make coffee and prepare food. So until the next one, keep on prepping.